good evening. Kain tayo, let's eat it. Let's eat my friends. Luto na po yung niluto ko kanina. I love sari-sari vegetables. May ampalaya, may sitaw, may okra, may squash, and with damas, garlic and onion, red dried fish, so yummy. Yummy fish, dried fish. Kain tayo. I love vegetables. Please watch my video. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.